What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I drove 2.5 hours over here into Minnesota to some guy's shop that I met on Marketplace or on the Facebook groups to see if he can help me fix my fuel level sensor and possibly pick up a door as well as some other parts for my B5. And as you can tell, I'm parked. I'm already in the parking lot of his shop. I can see about 3 or 4 B5s just sitting out in the parking lot and about another 2 or 3 behind a gate. So I'm sure he knows what he's doing when it comes to these, and I'm just grateful for his help and the parts that he's letting go of, because I definitely need them, and I need this fixed so I can have a freaking fuel gauge. That'd be nice. But yeah, I'll pick this back up when he arrives, and I make sure it's cool that I film. I know for sure we have to remove the door from the car. It's still on there, so we'll be here for a little while just shooting the shit. So I'll pick this back up once I make sure it's all good. I'll see you guys in a bit. Camera.
That thing's kind of small.
Yeah, the Osmo Pocket's fucking sick.
Yeah, works good.
There he is, fixing the fuel level sensor. Getting his personal car PPF'd at the time. Oh shit, look at this. Cactus green. B6 interior. Dude, it's mint. I love the cactus little the
Little thing on the dash.
yeah, little dash.
Yeah, I got that off of Amazon, I think, straight from China. It's solar powered, so
And look at all these. Hibby collect.
He hasn't registered the car yet, so he's sitting here until he registers it. But he used to have a Hibiscus B5 A4.
Oh yeah.
This is that's a California car, Russ.
So I'm the absolute worst when it comes to filming stuff when I'm talking to people and all this other stuff. But Drake was super cool. Might be working with him in the future on some things I have planned for the B5, but he has a cool little shop. He works on mainly B5s, obviously, but a whole bunch of S4s. He owns a super clean cactus green S4 that's mint. It was getting PPF'd while we were in there, but yep, I picked up let's see, turn this around real quick. There you go. So picked up a pearl white door from S4, the whole door. I probably won't put it on right now. I don't have a need to. Plus it needs to be cleaned up. It has some scratches and stuff on it, so I don't know. Just leave it for now. But that door is pretty mint. Also, the trunk liner. My car does not have a trunk liner. So this one is bent. It's not in the best condition, but if I vacuum it, maybe steam it, and like put something flat on it, to hold it out, it'll be okay. So I'll give that a whirl. But the best thing is he was able to help me with my fuel level sensor. He soldered a wire onto here. The original wire, the previous owner tried to repair it multiple times. It looked like it snapped off, so he was able to make a new one, and it moves freely. So we'll be able to throw this in today, test it out, see if it actually works. Hopefully it does. It'll be nice to have a fuel gauge again. So yeah. All right, I just threw the fuel level sensor in there. This car is like on empty anyways, so we'll see what it reads. Yeah. Empty. So let's run down to the gas station and see what it does. See if it moves. It's moving. but surely.
2 days later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some unfortunate but fortunate news. Today is Tuesday, but on Sunday night on my way to work I smacked a deer, or I should say a deer hit me. So I'll show you the damage here. But yep, literally just bent right here, headlight broken obviously, and then you see the bacon ripples. But this is where the deer hit. Just a big old dent there. Can't even open this door. Can't open it. Like if I try to, doesn't go anywhere. It's, you know, touching right there. So now I'm gonna, hopefully that's shut. Boom. I filmed a video a couple days ago on Saturday, but it wasn't the best. I was too busy talking to the guy. So here's a door that I picked up. It's a pearl white S4 door that I'm going to be putting on the driver's side. And then I found he had this, which is a trunk liner. If you know, my trunk's missing it, so works out perfect. And then update, the guy that I picked up the doors from, the door and the trunk thing from, he was able to fix my fuel gauge. So my fuel level sensor, I'll show y'all. There it is. You see it. Yup, half a tank. So that's a plus side, but oh, copyright. But today, right now, I'm about to drive to about 2.5 hours away in the middle of Wisconsin, like middle of northern Wisconsin. I'm gonna pick up a new hood, new headlights, and possibly a fender. I don't know if his fender's cooked or not. I don't want a rusty fender, but if it's like fixable, then I'll probably pick it up. But yeah, all for like 120 bucks. So we'll see how that goes. I'll pick this up. I got to get gas and get on the road. I'll pick this up when I get to his house. So I'll see you guys there. What's funny is, as I said, I'm horrible at filming when I'm with people and, you know, talking to them and trying to do stuff. But we were able to switch the hood and got a new headlight in. I still gotta find a fender. The fender he had was a little cooked, so I didn't want to take it. But other than that, that's it for today's video. Just, you know, minor updates. I smashed a deer, and then really within 48 hours fixed for the most part. I mean, good as new, besides the fender. So yeah, stay tuned. Next video, more parts, more stuff, more fixing, as always, with, you know, local shitbox. See you guys. Peace.